There's a chatty mockingbird out here. I came out to record him, but he stopped singing until just now. See if we can see him. Oh, he's right on the peak of the neighbor's roof. It's cool. That's about it.